What's up, guys? Just got the double DIN installed here. I know it's kind of hard to see because it's night, but I'll just give you a little demonstration of what all it can do. It's got HD radio, of course. It's got the front USB right here. So I'm plugging my old flash drive. Navigation. Yeah. And it's got Bluetooth, so I make phone calls. Got the microphone. Looks like I got my flashlight. Right there. Then I can play DVDs too. I think I got one in here. I think I might have accidentally unplugged one of the lights for the air conditioning right here because it's really dim. It's got a pretty good display. Sounds good. I've already made a few phone calls. They can't even tell that it's on Bluetooth. So. Oh yeah, and the colors change right here. You can change it to where it doesn't. But I got it set to green for now, I guess. Go with the dash. I'm planning on changing it like I did with the Yukon. Thinking about getting the gauges all white and then maybe this section blue or something a little different. Well, that's it for now.